communication and stakeholder engagement at the Capricorn Group. The Capricorn Group is also one of the many sponsors of this event today, not only because we believe in collaboration, but also because with our entities or our subsidiaries, that is Capricorn Asset Management, Bank Cameroon in Botswana, and Interpa Holdings. Above that, we are very focused on some sustainability initiatives also as a financial organization. I'm sure in the room you probably know of the Green Bond or the Sustainability Bond of Bank Windhoek, as well as the Capricorn Foundation, which is the CSR leg of Capricorn Group of companies that is really on the ground and doing initiatives to mitigate some social ills on the ground. Without further ado, I'd like to get into it and just explain that this session is really for us to deliberate and to discuss and talk about ESG or sustainability principles that can guide us to a more sustainable future as a company. And also to work and collaborate together to see what are organizations doing, the public and private sector already that you're not aware of, and what can they possibly do and how can they be a part of it. So I'm excited for this session, and I would like to start off by welcoming the first speaker. Mind you, our panelist for the ESG session is seasoned. It's amazing. I'm so excited that they are all in the room today. They all have amazing credentials and will add so much value to this session. Our session on ESG overview will be spoken to by Ms. Tony Bierkes, and I read her accolades. She is the head of ESG at Hyphen Africa, an admitted attorney and seasoned renewable energy executive. She brings more than 18 years experience across energy, oil, and gas in construction. She has been actively involved in developing the wind industry in South Africa and was both director of the South African Wind Energy Association and chair of the organization's Economic Development Working Group. So please give her a round of applause as she comes up.